How to use Grubhub gift card in the restaurant. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site grubhub.com. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are signed in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Now at the top right corner, click on this profile icon. Different menus will be available to you. Click on Account. Inside Account, the option of gift card will be available to you. Click on it. Now over here it says, give the gift of Grubhub. When Grubhub gift card, friends and family can order food anytime from their favorite restaurants. So click on redeem a gift card and then enter the specific code that you have. Once you have entered the code, the gift card will be applied successfully. After that, whenever you try to buy something on Grubhub, at the time of the checkout, you can choose the gift card option as your payment method and then make the payment of the product that you're gonna purchase. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use Grubhub gift card in any restaurant. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.